Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this are fast if you know the trick. We are comparing Riemann sums to an integral value of 8. Let's go.
First, we divide the interval from 0 to 6 into 3 equal parts. Each width is 2. Statement 1 uses the left endpoints, which are 0, 2, and 4. Watch this. Since our function is strictly increasing, the left Riemann sum will always underestimate the actual area. That means the sum in statement 1 must be less than 8. It is true. Statement 3 uses right endpoints, 2, 4, and 6. For an increasing function, this sum overestimates the area, making it greater than 8. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for option B.